In Neville Goddard's lecture, Divine Signs, let's embark on a poetic journey divine. The source context reveals a power profound, where signs from the divine can astound. Through intuition's whispers, we learn to perceive the guidance that only our souls can retrieve. With open hearts and receptive minds, we witness miracles in all of their kinds. From dreams that foretell what lies ahead, to symbols and omens that oft go unsaid, the divine speaks to us in subtle ways, through numbers, animals, and cosmic displays. By trusting in these celestial clues, we unlock the power to manifest and choose. The dance of synchronicity orchestrates our fate as we step into a reality truly great. As Neville imparts his profound insight, we're reminded to shine our inner lights, to tune into the divine's loving embrace, and navigate life's journey with grace. With gratitude, faith, and belief so strong, we witness the miracles that have been there all along. So let us heed the call of this lecture divine and awaken the powers that within us reside. Divine signs are here, ever ready to guide, as we embark on a life transformed, unified.